Every big app you use runs on containers, managed by Kubernetes. 2 words you keep hearing. Let's make them simple in under 5 minutes. Here's an old headache in software. It runs perfectly on the developer's laptop, then breaks somewhere else. Different setups, missing pieces. But it works on my machine. A container fixes that. It packages an app together with everything it needs to run, its code, its tools, and its settings, into one neat sealed box that behaves the same on any machine. Think of it like a shipping container. Whatever you put inside is sealed in a standard box that fits any truck, any ship, anywhere. So the app runs identically on a laptop, a server, or any cloud. Containers are also light. Instead of running a whole separate computer for each app, containers share the same underlying system, like apartments sharing one building, rather than building a separate house each time. So they start in seconds. The most popular tool for building and running containers is Docker, so popular that people often use Docker and container to mean the same thing. So containers give 3 big wins. They run the same everywhere, they start fast and use fewer resources, and they move easily between clouds. One container is simple to manage, but real apps run hundreds or thousands of them. Who starts them all, restarts the ones that crash, and adds more when traffic spikes? By hand, that's impossible. That's the job of Kubernetes. Think of it as the conductor of an orchestra or air traffic control for containers, the manager that runs them all for you automatically. Here's the clever part. You simply tell Kubernetes the goal, say, always keep 5 copies running, and it makes it happen. It places containers across your machines, restarts any that fail, and adds or removes copies as demand changes. Like a thermostat. Set the target, and it holds it. In plain words, a cluster is your fleet of machines. Pods are your running containers. And Kubernetes handles the scaling, the self-healing, and sharing the load across them all. Picture it live. Black Friday traffic surges, and Kubernetes quietly adds more copies to cope. A container crashes at 3 in the morning, and it's replaced in seconds before anyone even notices. This is how the services you rely on stay up. Streaming platforms, banking apps, and just about every large cloud application runs on containers and Kubernetes. And it all fits together. Containers package the app, Kubernetes runs them, the cloud provides the machines, and DevOps ships new versions into the whole system. For a leader, the payoff is real. Scale to any size, stay reliable around the clock, avoid lock-in since it runs on any cloud, and ship faster. So, a container packages an app to run anywhere, and Kubernetes automatically runs, heals, and scales thousands of them, the invisible engine behind modern apps.